welcome to our summer reading program, Oceans of Possibilities. I'm Miss Janelle.
And I'm Miss Cynthia.
We are going to have fun reading and learning about the oceans with your free grab-and-go activity kit.
A special thank you to the Friends of the Buckeye Public Library, the Verrado Rotary, for sponsoring this free kit.
This month's kit is different than the June kit, so if you don't already have July's kit, you can pick one up at the downtown or Coyote Branch and even on the bookmobile while supplies last.
In July's kit, you will find a booklet with interesting facts about each weekly topic, materials to complete each activity, a bookmark, and a free book.
Don't forget to visit our website at buckeyeaz.gov/library for library hours, locations, and online resources. This week's theme is all about jellyfish.
Now, Janelle, did you know that there are about 200 species of jellyfish and can be found in all of the world's oceans?
Great fact, Miss Cynthia. Thank you for sharing. Let's learn more about jellyfish with this week's activity.
And today we're going to show you how to make a handprint jellyfish magnet.
Stay tuned for the secret code at the end of this video. Let's get started. To make your handprint jellyfish magnet, you will need your piece of construction paper, your glue, your magnet, 2 large googly eyes, pencil, and a small paper plate. Our first step is using your pencil, you are going to trace your hand on your construction paper. Next, you are going to cut it out. Your next step is you're going to take your paper plate and any colored crayon that you would like, and you're going to color your paper plate like this. Once you're done, using your scissors, you're going to cut your paper plate in half. So it looks like this. Now you're going to take your hand, turn your half paper plate over, place a small amount of glue on the edge of the back, and glue on your hand. Next, you're going to take your magnet, peel off the backing, and stick it on. Very last step, I'm going to turn your jellyfish over. You're going to peel off the back of your googly eyes, or you could just put a small amount of glue on the back and stick them on. And now you have a handprint jellyfish magnet. With your leftover paper plate half and your construction paper, you can have a friend or a family member trace their hand and create a jellyfish magnet of their own. You and your whole family can still sign up for the summer reading program at maricopacountyreads.org and select Buckeye Public Library. There's still time to reach 1,000 points before August 1st.
You will earn 1 point for each minute that you read. We'll see you next week for more fun. Bye.
Bye.